Hello, guys, and welcome to Zimtrain Daily. So, Prophet Walter Magaya has been arrested again. So, kuneva iziva or vanoziva this story. So, Prophet Walter Magaya vanga vakambosungwa, I don't know, few weeks ago or few months ago. So, if you actually know this story, well, unoziva kuti vanga vari muremand ende vakapiwa bail. So, my cases are a fraud nema-rape cases were supposed to commence today. So, vachingobva muHarare Magistrate Court today. So one case yavo yefraud yanga yachinzi ichazotanga musi wa27 March. So according to Herald, so like this post yamuri kuona iyi case yavo yefraud yapostponed to 27 March. So pavangobuda nhasi magistrate court. So today is actually 26 January. So pavangobuda nhasi magistrate muHarare Magistrate Court vabva vasungwa zvekare. So a lot of people were confused kuti nyaya yei futi yavasungirwa. So according to Herald, also to Herald Zimbabwe, so this is the video and this is also their post. Prophet Walter Magaya is actually facing a new new case here, rape. It's still a developing story, so we will keep you updated on this story. So please don't forget to subscribe